You're not weak. You're just used to being rescued every time life gets a little hard. You've been comforted, not corrected. You've been given ease, not endurance. And now, every little discomfort feels like pain. You grew up in a world that taught you the value of comfort, but not the price of comfort. Comfort makes you soft. Comfort kills urgency. Comfort whispers, "Take it easy. You deserve a break." But how many breaks before your life breaks apart? Your body isn't tired. Your soul is undertrained. You've been praised for simply showing up. But life doesn't reward presence. It rewards persistence. Pain isn't your enemy. Discomfort isn't cruelty. They're the gym for your spirit. Every difficult day is a training session. Every hardship is resistance, and resistance builds strength. If no one pushes you, you never grow. If no one tells you the truth, you stay soft. Stop labeling effort as trauma. Stop calling accountability harshness. Truth isn't always gentle, but it's always necessary. Inside you, there's a version no one has seen yet. Not even you. But that version will never show up. If you keep escaping every challenge, if you keep blaming, if you keep waiting for someone to save you, you were made to endure. You were made to rise. But you've been sitting in comfort too long to remember that. So here's your wake-up call. Your life doesn't need more softness. It needs more strength. And that strength, it's already in you. You just have to suffer enough to unlock it. Don't wait for motivation. Build discipline. Don't wait for approval. Earn self-respect. And don't wait for a savior. Become your own rescue. If you felt this message, like, comment, and subscribe. This channel doesn't comfort. It wakes up the version of you that's been hiding too long.